Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Alembic dust in Cinema 4D. I'm using Cinema 4D R20 here. So let's grab our folder where we have our dust downloaded to. I'll grab the first dust and just drag it in. You can see I've got a dark background here so I can see the dust a little bit more easily. Yes, and we're going to want to use the same frame rate that was used when we created the dust. So 24 frames a second is fine. Go ahead and load that in. We'll hit play. We're not going to see anything because the dust is very, very tiny, as you can see. It's just dust particulate. But kind of navigate this way and sort of look up into that dark space in the background. You can sort of see it. But if you want to be able to see it easier, you can just throw like a white material on it. And that becomes much easier to see. And now we have our dust. So that's really all you need to do. And from there, you can actually rotate it. If you want to rotate the dust, you can rotate it all around. You can obviously move it. You can scale it down. You can also create copies. So if I just go to like the rotate tool, I'm just going to hold down Control and just hold down. And now I'm just creating copies of this dust. If you want to create like a really sort of like massive dust cloud, very easy to do. And of course, your camera can move right through it. Another trick too that you can do if you want to make the dust bigger or smaller, you can grab a displacer and throw a displacer on it. And we're just going to pipe in a color to the displacer. And not quite that big. Let's bring that down. And now with this displacer, you can control the size of your dust. So if you want to have like larger bits of dust, you can do that. Or if you want to have even smaller, you could like do maybe 49.2 and like get really, really twinkly. You can kind of probably barely see it with the video compression, but that's a pretty interesting effect as well. So yeah, that's about as simple as it gets. I will show you another cool little thing you can do for the viewport. If you want to grab a camera and maybe look through that camera. Oops, lost my objects here. There we go. All right, so let's grab our camera, make this like 55 millimeter lens. Good. Let's go to the physical tab and change this to like 0.2. And we'll come over to our options and turn on depth of field. And then it's just a matter of grabbing our camera and picking that focus to be right where our dust was. So something like in that region. Let's go ahead and look at where we're at. Probably want to bring that right up to there. So now we have this like cool bokeh effect happening in the viewport. If you're like doing some previs or whatnot, this is kind of a cool way to work. So yeah, using Alembic dust in Cinema 4D is extremely easy. I can't wait to see what everybody makes with it, and I'll see you in the next video.